purpose of the Challenge Lab, which was created this year, was to incentivize our students and really find a platform for them to come and have extensions of their learning. We decided to make this a STEM-based lab, so they're learning science, technology, engineering, and math. And we create a fun environment with a bunch of activities available for them. They have open choice. And we really are using that to drive behavior and just effort put forth by the students in class. It gives them an opportunity to collaborate with teammates, to collaborate with classmates, and work in groups and group environments to meet their goals and their challenges here within this lab. One of the things that I teach in my class is to look at a problem from different angles and let them know that there's different ways to solve problems. And by kind of using that as the foundation of this class, it helps them problem solve. It helps them use their creativity. It's all developed for them to work within teams. Whether they're working on engineering and they're building Lego towers or bridges, they have to do it collaboratively with their group. If they're working on coding, they take turns coding and they problem solve each other's codings whenever they run into bugs. If they're working on projectile motion with our straw rockets, one person will actually do the launching of the rocket, the other person is observing. If they're not reaching their target, they have a discussion and then they implement whatever changes they have come up with together. So one of our main goals is to give our students exposure to technology. With AI and the growth of technology, the workforce is going to look very different in the future. By them having the opportunity to come in here and learn the very basics of coding, the very basics of structural engineering, it's really going to help expose them and help them grow as they move to middle school, high school, and beyond.